Well, this is something you don't see. This is an above ground pool. It fell into disarray, and they said it was cheaper just to tear it down. I don't think I've ever seen an above ground pool like this. Bruce Pool, New Martinsville Park. They got it all fenced in because they're getting ready to bulldoze it. We'll try to take a walk around it. Definitely is different. How you doing?
Well, it's changed tearing that down.
Yeah, I'm not from around here. Somebody told me about it, so I said.
It's a landmark. There's only two in the United States. That was one of them.
Where's the other one at?
Out west somewhere. There's only two in the United States.
Because I've never seen one.
Huh?
I've never seen one.
Yeah, there's two of them.
So you grew up around here?
Yeah. I hate to see it when they're doing that bull. I hate to see it.
All over America, they're tearing down these
Back
landmarks.
home
Yeah,
memories.
they are.
I used to skinny dip in that log. Oh yeah, we all did.
Snuck in it late at night, is that
They
it?
always come up over that side. As long as you stay in the water, they couldn't see you.
Oh, that's funny. That's a
Yeah,
good
what
story.
a shame. I did. They was offered money to fix that damn place, and they didn't take it.
What's the reason?
Oil company at
Ontario and EQT.
one of them, they offered money to fix it. They did it. She turned it down.
Yeah.
The mayor, huh?
Huh?
The
Yep.
mayor?
Well, she was park commissioner. Yeah. She wants everything up to Stilton. We're high society.
That's a shame.
Yeah, that's a shame right there. That is. That
What
is.
year's your van?
It's 95.
Oh, wow.
That pool's older than me. I'll be 67 then. It's been there for a few years.
So you
Since
grew up right in town here.
Yeah.
Since 1941. But it opened in 42. It's when it
It's a
opened
shame.
up.
Yeah, that's a shame.
It is.
I'll have to put something in it we don't need.